just past Kabangkalan City. And ETA natin is 1:58 na. So we cut yung travel time by 17 minutes. Hopefully abot tayo 1:45 to 1:30. Ang ganda ng play ng Ford Everest, no? It's a nice vehicle to drive. Hindi ka mabibitin sa power. Dito sa probinsya, you have to make yung busina horn talaga, no? Kasi the tricycles or motor they suddenly will turn left or right without giving signal. So unahan mo na kagad sila. Yan. Pagdating ng safe distance, yan o, businahan mo. Yan. Okay. Parang walang sisihan. Today is Sunday, hindi masyadong kalaban, no? Masakyan, mga sasakyan. So we're going to the mountains na in a while. Akyat kami from the flat plains. I think babawi yung Ford sa paakyat, no? Kasi malakas yung power niya compared with yung mga other vehicles. Slightly akit-akit.